What is a simple interest? Simple interest is a type of interest calculation where the interest earned is based on the initial principal amount. It's calculated by the multiplying the principal amount by the interest rate and the time period. Mahal, matagal ko na pinag-iisipan to. Kung mag-business kaya tayo, ano namang gusto mong business, mahal? Ano kaya kung Sari-sari store kaya, mahal? Pero mahal, may problema lang tayo. Hindi na kasi kaya ng bad. Hey bro, musta? Alam mo ba bro, yung misis ko kasi gusto niya mag-business sari-sari store. Kaso, wala kaming budget para doon. Try mo mangutang doon. Good morning! Welcome to our bank. I'm Mr. Renzo, your loan officer today. How can I assist you? Good morning. My name is Neil Samson. I'm here to apply for a loan to help with start our family business. Great to hear you growing your business. Can you tell me more about your business and how much you like to borrow? We run a small business which is sari-sari store and I'm looking to borrow 20,000. Family Samson has decided to start a business but they don't have enough savings to set it up. So they applied for a loan of 20,000 from the local bank. The bank offer a simple interest loan with an annual interest rate 5%. The family Samson plans to pay off the loan over a period of 5 years. The Samson family need to understand how much interest they will pay over the loan term and how much they will total by the end of the loan. Sa pamilyang Samson, nag-decide sila na mag-start ng business pero they don't have enough savings to set it up. So, nag-loan sila na 20,000 from the local bank para sa business nila and the bank nag-offer na 5% rate. Sa pamilyang Samson, need nilang maintindihan kung magkano babayaran nila and how much they will total by the end of the loan. The problem is, Samsung family needs to calculate the total interest they will pay over the 5 years, the total amount they will at the end of the loan term. So sa pamilyang Samson, kailangan nila i-calculate the total interest in the 5 years and the total amount at the end. Sa pamilyang Samson, kailangan nilang malaman kung ano ang total amount ng kanilang utang sa bank.